I want to ask you all a question. Have you seen the governor of Ebonyi State? I mean, Governor Francis Ogbonna Nwifuru in action. Well, if you haven't, let's go on this ride together. This man right here is really making waves. No cap. Now, we all know Abakaliki, is shining than before. But the governor said, hold up, what about our rural areas? And he's right. The villages deserve love too. And guess what? That is exactly what he's focused on now. Unlike what we used to know, what we are used to, most of these leaders focus more on the town, the urban areas of a particular state. But now, Governor Nwifuru is saying a big no to that. So, in this video, Governor Francis Ogbonna Nwifuru is out and about inspecting rural projects across Ebonyi State. From the staff quarters of the ICT University in Oferekpe Agbaja, Izzi local government area, to the lively upgrades at Iziogo Market, also in Ebonyi State, and so many other exciting rural projects you'd really want to see. So don't go anywhere. Let's take a closer look at how rural Ebonyi is transforming under Governor Nwifuru's watch. Trust me, you'll be proud of what's happening in Ebonyi State. Okay, let's go.